Right, guys. The mains bit the circle exercise 3. Now the first question is given that circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 equal to 0. They are given two circles. The circles touch each other externally. First option, and second option is externally or cuts each other, or D is none. To solving that problem, now just we observe the solution. What is the solution is given circles. I am writing here what they are given circles, and we know that the conditions if C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2, the common tangents is 3. Now the circle is in the form, okay, touch each other externally. If C1 C2 is greater than R1 R2 and the circles neither touch or not externally, okay, and C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2, the diagram which is in the form of touch internally, and C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. Now internal the circles are touched internally, okay, and C1 C2 is less than R1 R2, the circle inside the another circle is lies in circle, okay. Here we see that the number of common tangents, and when these conditions C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2, the number of common tangents is 3. When the greater than is 4 and less than is 2 and equal to is one common tangent, when less than of R1 minus R2 0. Now from the given circles, the center is C1 equal to 1 comma 2 and C2 is equal to 0 comma 4. To finding the distance between the centers, we may get root 5, and here R1 is formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. So substituting here 1 square and 2 square 4, there is no constant value, so it will root 5, and R2 equal to here 0 square is 0, 4 square is 16, and the constant value is minus 4, it will become plus 4. So root 16 plus 4, it's clearly root 20. Now here C1 C2 is root 5 and R1 R2, R1 is root 5 and R2 is root 20. The R2 can be written as 2 root 5. Okay, so root 5 plus 2 root 5, 3 root 5. So clearly C1 C2 is less than R1 R2. So answer is D. Okay, in this case it is happen in here C1 C2 is less than R1 R2, touch each other internally, so there is no option in this, so it is answer is D. Okay, now the next question, the equation of line passing through the points intersection of circles. Okay, the equation of line passing through point of intersection of the circles. The point of intersection of the circles is nothing but s minus s dash equal to 0. The first circle can be taken as s and second circle can be taken as s dash. So that is, now observing by solution, I am writing here first circle and this is second circle. When you are doing the subtract, we may get here x is common. Now this is minus 6 and minus 2 by 3. When you take as y is common, 4 minus 2 is 2, and here positive value 15 and minus 9 by 3. To solving this total equation, we get 10x minus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. So where the answer is in this question is nothing but 10x minus 3y 18 is equal to 0. And similarly, the second question is, if two circles x minus 1 whole square and y minus 3 whole square equal to r square, and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, intersect in two distinct points. Intersects in two distinct points. They are given two circles. Now see the solutions once. Now given circles, what the circles they are given, I am writing here given circles, and from this circle here R1 we don't know the R value, radius, so is R, and the center is 1 comma 3, and another circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, and C2 equal to, from this circle we make it center here 4 comma 1 and radius is 3. The condition, required condition, C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2 and mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2. So distance between these two centers, distance between these two centers, okay, distance between these two values we get that is 5, and R1 is, we don't know R, and R2 is 3, substituting here, so these 3 can become as 5 minus 3 is 2 less than R, and this they become plus 3, so this is R less than 8. So the required condition is 2 less than R less than 8.